Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. These can be the final movements before breakout or breakdown because the price action of Bitcoin has again moved very close to this resistance of the triangle on the daily time frame chart. And in my previous video, I told you that if we will have this breakout, then it can start a chain reaction of the bullish reversals, as we already have a kind of chain reaction, a small chain reaction before. For example, this was the chart that I shared at the Patreon, and that was the formation of the bullish Gartley move on the 12-hour chart. Let me show you this chart. And at the same time, while the price action was moving in this buying zone of the bullish Gartley pattern, at the same time the price action was moved at the support of this down channel as well. And now I'm going to play this chart to show you the result of this trade. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action turned bullish from the buying zone of this bullish Gartley pattern. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different harmonic trading ideas at the Patreon. If you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay. At the same time, the price action turned bullish using this support of the down channel, and also turned bullish from this buying zone of this bullish Gartley pattern on the 12-hour chart. And here in my previous video, I told you that we had few bounces while price action is moving to the upside. For example, here we had a bounce here. And yesterday in my previous video, we were expecting a bounce, a next bounce from here. And I told you that if the price action will have another bounce from here, and we have already several touches at the resistance as well, then the price action can start an other move in an up channel formation, like in this way. And eventually the price action will be moving to the upside if it will be rejected by this resistance and move down again and have another bounce, rejected, move down, and after taking next bounce, if it will be rejected again, move down and move up. Eventually you can see that the price action will be moving to the upside. However, it is also possible that once we will have a big breakout on the daily time frame chart, then the price action can be turned more bullish, and it can also break out the resistance of this channel as well. And we are also having this EMA 21 daily approximately at $40,500. And if we switch to the weekly time frame chart, then we have the EMA 21 weekly at $43,800. And if the price action will move above this EMA 21 weekly, then we will observe a lot of buying at that point. I've already told you that there are two spots where whenever the price action will be moved at those spots, you will observe a lot of buying there. For example, one is the $30,000 very strong support, and other one if the price action will be moved above the EMA 21 weekly, because there is a big number of traders who are willing to buy at these two places. And we can see that whenever the price line is moving close to $30,000 or moving to $30,000, the price action is moving back to the upside. Now we can wait for to move above the EMA 21 weekly after this breakout. Okay, here we are also having the higher lows. Therefore, this formation has been changed from this descending triangle to symmetrical triangle. Now, if we measure the targets for this triangle, I'm just going to place this measurement, this trend line from this tail of the triangle up to this support. And in case of breakdown, if for example, if the price line will be moved down from this point and it will break down this symmetrical triangle, then our next target to the downside can be $25,000. However, I'm not expecting this breakdown because we have a very strong support at $30,000. And if we will have a breakout, for example, if we will have a breakout here, then our next target can be approximately at $48,000. That will be above EMA 21 weekly. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart here, then we have a very clear bounce now. If I place this trend line here at $30,000, then we can see that we have a very good strong support here. And I've already told you in my previous so many videos that whenever the Bitcoin has found any support during the bull run, I'm just talking about the supports that the Bitcoin has formed during the bull runs. For example, this is the bull run, and started the next rally to the upside. The price action of Bitcoin never broke down those supports. For example, if I place the trend lines on each and every support that the Bitcoin has found during such bull runs, like this is the bull run of 2017, and we can see that the price action, we had a market crash here, like here, the price action moved sideways and down, moved down to approximately $2,000. We found a support here. Then we had another shake off here at $3,000, and the price action of Bitcoin found the next support here, and we can see that the price line never broke down these supports. Now let's move to the back to the 2013 when we had this bull run, and here the price action found this support here at $60. And then you can see that after this market shake off, the price action of Bitcoin never broke down this support. Now I'm just going to zoom out, and we can see that whenever these are the major supports that the price line of Bitcoin has found during the bull run, and after finding these supports, the price action started the next rally. And we can see that the price line of Bitcoin never broke out these supports, and now we have found this support at $30,000. Therefore, it is really very difficult for the price action of Bitcoin to break down this support. And we can see that the lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud is also turning bullish. And this indicator, the Ichimoku cloud, is the best indicator to watch whether the bull run is ended or not. And we can see that previously, whenever the bull run was ended, this lagging span moved down and crossed down the candlesticks and the cloud as well. And we also received the bear cross here between the conversion and the baseline, and the bull run was ended. And so far, we did not receive any bear cross or death cross between the conversion and the baseline, because whenever this blue line crosses down this red line, that is a sell signal by the Ichimoku cloud, and on the weekly time frame chart, that is a really very strong sell signal. So these are the last and final movements for the Bitcoin, whether it is going to break out, or maybe it will be moved down to this support and we can have another bounce, or maybe it will break down. I'm expecting for the breakout. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.